Welcome to the 2019 Feldenkrais Awareness Summit. My name is Erifily. I'm a Feldenkrais practitioner from Athens, Greece, and I will be guiding you through this lesson. This lesson I like to call the rolling chariot, as I always envision a Roman-style two-horse chariot as I explore the connection between the legs and torso. So lie on your back, take a moment to sense yourself, your weight on the floor. Bend your knees, the right foot stands on the ground, the left comes up towards your belly. Interlace your fingers and bring your hands behind your left knee. Lift your lower leg until you have a 90-degree angle between your thigh and shin. Start gently pushing through your heel, as if you were trying to reach the other side of the room. And as you do, feel how your knee pulls your arms forward. Keep your wrists, elbows and shoulders soft. As your knee pulls forward, allow your arms to drift along and feel your shoulders gently lifting from the ground. Make no effort to lift, just follow along. Push and release. A small, soft movement in your left heel. Again and again. Keep the back of your head on the ground, your neck soft. Imagine your leg as a horse pulling on its reins. Feel the powerful muscles of your thigh pulling your wrists forward, your elbows, your shoulders. Your arms passively follow. Let everything go and rest for a moment. Knees bent or legs straight, whatever feels more comfortable. And scan your body for changes in the way you sense yourself, in relation to the ground. Let's change sides. Stand your left foot on the ground and interlace your fingers behind your right knee. Keep your arms soft, relaxed, and start pushing through your right heel. Push and release, just as we did with the left foot. Which side felt easier? A few times, push and release. And sense the movement in your shoulders and the weight distribution in your back. Bring your feet down and rest for a moment. And this time, instead of scanning your body linearly, observe which are the most prominent sensations that arise, moment to moment. And allow your attention to follow them as they appear into your consciousness, as they dissolve. Bend your knees and stand both feet on the ground. Press through your heels into the floor so that your lower back flattens and your pelvis tilts a bit backwards. Pay attention not to lift the pelvis, but roll it on the floor. Can you synchronize your breath so that you exhale as your pelvis tilts back and inhale as your pelvis tilts forward? With every exhale, think of engaging your abdomen. With every inhale, relax. Now stand your right foot on the ground, interlace your fingers behind your left knee, and this time As you gently push through your left heel and pull on your arms, think of pressing the ground with your right heel and tilting your pelvis backwards. Exhale. Inhale to release again. As you exhale, engage your belly muscles, tilt your pelvis backwards as your left foot gently pulls the weight of your shoulders up. Can you sense what happens in your back? The changing shape of your spine. Do a few more moves and take a rest. Taking a few moments to observe the sensations that arise and dissolve. And let's try it on the other side. So you interlace your fingers between your right knee now, and as you exhale, your right heel pushes away, raising your shoulders as it pulls on your arms, and you press your left heel on the ground, engage your abdomen and tilt your pelvis backwards. Keeping your neck soft and your head on the ground all along. Making the movement so small that you don't pull on your neck. Let it all go and have a rest. And this time decide if you want to meticulously scan throughout the body, or as before, allow your attention to roam freely from sensation to sensation. Now bring both of your legs towards your chest and place each hand under each knee. This time, both heels will press forward as you exhale, engage your belly and tilt your pelvis backwards. And as your pelvis tilts backwards, you can feel the weight shifting from your pelvis to your lower back and your spine rounding. Now the next time you exhale, raise your head to look between your knees. And as you inhale, bring your head back to the ground. Do it a few times, synchronizing the breath, the movement of the feet, arms and head, the belly and the pelvis. And as you become accustomed to this movement, think of exploring different directions with your feet. Let your heels push up in a diagonal towards the ceiling or down towards the floor. Each movement, each pull, a different direction. And do the same with your gaze. As you raise your head, look towards your feet. And the next time, look between your knees. And the next, between your thighs or at your belly button. Exploring what changes. Which directions provide ease, smoothness of movement and momentum. Let it go and rest for a moment. Taking time to notice. And now let's make the movement bigger. Again, bring your feet up, each arm under each knee. And as you exhale, allow your powerful leg muscles to pull you forward like a deux chevaux, a two-horse chariot. And as you inhale, your legs relax and you rein them in, pulling them back with your arms. And as you gently roll now forward and back, following your breath cycle, can you feel the momentum building up? Can you keep the movement effortless as your roll gets bigger? Your feet pull your arms to roll forward. Your arms pull on your feet to roll back. And for some, this effortless movement might bring them on their sit bones, almost sitting up, and that is perfectly fine. And for some, it will stay a gentle shifting of weight from the upper to the lower back, and that is perfectly fine too, just as long as you experience the momentum, the smoothness of the movement. Let the movement go and rest again, feeling your shape, your contact with the floor. And when you are ready, you can stand up. This lesson is part of the 2019 Feldenkrais Awareness Summit. Join me again tomorrow for a new lesson. For more information about me and my work, you can visit my website, atomyoga.eu.